Here we go. We are the lead car. The last few times I've been here was only for the zip line. I never actually came in here for the ATV riding or the horseback riding, so this can be the first time I get to explore this area or an ATV, which should be fun. There you go. Fun. This is the second last zip line. The longest one is over 4,000 feet. That away, yeah. You reach about 45 miles an hour coming down. The final zip line. Looks like fun, huh? Yeah. All right. Everyone has to sign their life away. The last will and testament goes to me. My life away waiver. All right, here we go. All right, done.
Your tour is at 2 hours in the jungle. In the jungle, I don't have bathroom, okay? Please use in the bathroom. The bathroom is over there, okay? Please use in the bathroom and come here.
Yeah.
We already did that.
Go before you go. Guys, have fun. Have fun riding those horses.
Bye-bye. Don't fall off them.
Remember, if a horse sits on you, it's good luck. The rain is starting to come down again, but I got my helmet, so it's okay. Let's go, come on. Go forward. Okay. Yeah, baby, here we go. That's kicking up some serious dirt. This is the practice track where we're gonna practice, and then we'll go on the real thing. Yay! Peter's gonna get so dirty. Oh my god, that's hilarious. You're gonna get so dirty. When you come back, your Hawaiian shirt is gonna be unrecognizable. Like I said, this is a little test track to get everyone acclimated to the ATV. There's a little whoop-de-doo and a little bump here and there, but it should be nothing. Should be okay. Wow, look how much mud we picked up just going for the little practice trail. Damn, hey, I'm already muddy. Yeah, look at that. All right, here we go. Woohoo! Yeah, this is gonna be muddy and dirty, that's all I gotta say. You okay there? Looks like we have a little accident. Yeah, a little accident there. A little spill. Okay, she's gonna be a passenger instead, and the people, the workers there, gonna tow the crash ATV back. Oh, look at that feet! Isn't that beautiful? Look at that feet! Look at the mud! Yeah. All right, let's go. Hey, cows. Yeah, the mud is pretty slippery, so some of us will get stuck and we'll need some help pulling ourselves out. Look at the mud on this trail. This is basically good, clean, dirty fun. Look at my shoe. Look at my shoe. Yeah. Okay, what's happening is right up ahead is a lot of mud and everyone's getting stuck. So everyone's got to be towed out. And so I'm just stuck here waiting, lining up. However, when it's my turn, I did not intend to get stuck. I will go right through it. I hope. Okay, we're taking a little break. Let's see how dirty you are. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the mud on you.
Ah, that's because I do this to win.
Yeah, wow. Peter, what happened to you? Oh my word. Look at your shoes. Look at your shoes. Yeah, that's a lot of mud. Then again, let's see me. Let's see me. How do I look? I'm still as clean as ever. And look at your arm. That's beautiful. Looks like mosquito spikes. Oh, you're getting a mud pack. Mud pack. Yeah. Oh, all right. Thank you.
The ATV.
Oh, look at you.
Órale. Órale, güey.
Oh, how you doing there?
Good, thanks. I've had a
You're
wash.
nice and clean.
I had a wash in the river.
Ah,
I
fun.
washed in the river there.
Look at that.
That's where I'm going.
That's beautiful. Let's take. Oh, look, river. I'm gonna go wash myself up right there. Good idea. There you go. That's one way to clean myself up. Yes. There you go. Somebody wash my feet. There you go. Oh yeah, that's how you get clean, right there, like that. Almost. Good photo
I
time.
was looking down. One more time. One more time.
Oh, look at all the dirty people.
I know.
Dirty people in the house.
Is it okay?
They say the purpose of these activities is for team bonding. The truth of the matter is just to get dirty. All right, take a picture. That's one way to remove the mud from you. Hey, you remember to close the door. Hey, we are back. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. Well, I must admit, that was actually pretty fun. Good, clean, dirty fun.
Dirty fun.
Dirty fun. That's right. Looking for some dirty fun? Come to this place in Costa Rica and buy some ATVs. Oh, there you guys are. I see your picture. Cool. Look at that. So, you almost got killed.
I know.
Came close. I mean, how did you actually almost flip that thing over?
Well, I was treating it like a motorbike and I was twisting the thing instead of, and then I was having trouble steering.
And you went over. Like you endo.
I went
That was impressive.
right over.
Yeah,
Right
you
over
went. That was
handlebars.
impressive, I must admit. So this photo came out pretty good. It looks like I'm battling against the Red Sea or something. All right, we're home. Woo!